Hi everyone, it's your girl C. I'm here today and I just want to ask all my friends one simple question. What are you doing with your 24 hours? I realize that as human beings, there are certain things that we all have in common, and the 24 hours is one of them. And irrespective of your geographical location, you only get 24 hours within a day. And what you do with your 24 hours, it determines what value or substance you add to, to your environment and to life in general. But I realize that, some of us, I don't know if we think we have eternity to be on this earth, but we spend so much time dumpster diving into other people's lives that, hours just pass us by and we don't even realize. And it brings me to an issue, an ongoing issue where, Yanique did a song, and, a lot of people are for the song and a lot of people are against the song. But, from a young child growing up, my mommy always told me that if you don't have anything good to say, shut up your mouth. And until we understand that the tongue is a very powerful weapon, and he that keepeth his mouth keepeth his life, then, we won't understand that, certain things we should just leave alone. If you support it, let people know about your support. If you're against it, you can let people know that you're not for it. However, the manner in which you go about it, can determine how a situation can be played out. I personally would not listen to that song. I wouldn't play it in my truck, and it's not something that I would play in my home. I think that's for the club or for the dance hall. However, you have to understand that what Yanique identified is that there is a demand for this kind of music, and she supplied it. And right there, the laws of economics will tell you that there's an equilibrium, because she's providing a demand for she's providing a supply for something that is being demanded. If you don't like to hear this kind of music, this is your opportunity. This is your foot through the window to go and make the kind of music that you feel that the world is demanding right now. Go and find it and supply it. It's your opportunity. I personally believe that the market is saturated, with all these kinds of lyrics and beats and everything. Everything just sounds the same, singing about the same subject and everything. I personally feel that way. However, you have to look at it, as I said, as an opportunity to be different, create a different product, create a different service. You sitting down trying to chastise people, not helping. And I'm not bashing anybody, but 9 out of 10 times, y'all who sit down and bash these people, you are in no position to do so. This lady is trying to make her bread. You understand me? If all hell breaks loose and, nothing not going for you, not going here, so, Yanique this and nothing not going for you, and this is the thing. I've told you before, people pleasing is a curse, and she realizes that, and that is why she ain't trying to please nobody but herself. And whoever loves her music, yay for them. Who doesn't like it, nay. It doesn't matter. You people spend so much time in other people's life. Just pay attention to yours. You only get 24 hours. Make use of that 24 hours. You understand me? What is going to be your competitive strategy in this life? What are you going to do that's different? You understand me? Always remember that substance succeeds hype. The hype is short-lived. It lasts for a minimal time. But the substance that you provide to this world will forever remain. You understand? And that is why I try to be different. It doesn't matter how many views I get, how many likes or how many comments. As long as my content is substantial and positive, uplifting and motivating, I'll do it. Because believe it or not, substance over hype, as Chronic say, any day and every day. Leave the lady, let her live. You spend too much time in other people's lives. Use your 24 hours to work on you. Do something that's gonna make you a different and a better person in this world. Go make some positive music. Go do that. There's a shortage for it. I'm telling you. Where are those Barry Salmon and them what's his name? Sanchez and Luciano, I found myself listening to him recently. I miss those kind of music. It doesn't have to be a man that's providing them. As a woman, go out and do it. Stop pay attention to people's life. The woman made it's a nice song, it's a nice beat. You don't like it, let it be. I'm not gonna search for it to listen to it, but if I go somewhere and it's playing, I might move to it. But that's what I'm saying. We need more uplifting music that will uplift our young ladies, because some of them are lacking confidence. We need that kind of content that will push them and boost them. All right, that's all I have to say on that note. Have a great day.